Hello everyone, welcome back to Upgrowth. Are you thinking about hiring a growth consultant? You have had a few calls, they sound impressive, and the proposal looks good. But how do you actually know if they are the right fit before you commit the budget and the time? So here comes Upgrowth's Growth Consultant Fit Checklist. Is a 5-point scorecard that audits any growth consultant across the dimensions that actually predict whether an engagement will deliver result or just generate a long slide deck. It gives you a fit score out of 100 and flags your risk indicators and tells you exactly what to clarify before signing. So let's check how it works. The tool has 5 inputs. Each one asks you to rate the consultant on a scale of 1 to 5. Let me walk you through what each one means. The first input is clear growth framework. A score of 1 means the consultant has no clear framework, and a score of 5 means they have a proven repeatable growth framework that is structured, documented, and consistently applied. You want to be rating them as close to 5 as possible here. If they cannot explain their methodology clearly in the first meeting, it is already a red flag. The second input is data driven decision making. Ask them in the interview to walk you through a recent growth decision they made and how data informed it. Their answers will tell you exactly where they fall on the scale. And the third input is stage relevant experience. This matters enormously. A consultant who scaled a Series C company has a different playbook from someone who understands the constraints of an early stage startup. And next, the fourth input is define deliverables and ownership. This is where most bad consulting relationships go wrong. Nobody agreed on who does what and what things underperform, and nothing gets fixed. And the fifth input is transparent pricing and scope. Here again, a 1 means pricing is unclear, and 5 means pricing is fully transparent. If a consultant cannot give you a clear answer on what you're paying for and what changes that price, just walk away. So once all these inputs are filled, just click on check fit, and below you can see the score here instantly. You will get a overall fit score out of 100 and a set of specific risk indicators flagging the areas where the consultant is weakest, and a list of what to clarify before hiring. Concrete questions you should ask in your next conversation based on the gaps the tool identified. So stop hiring on gut feelings. Score before you sign at upgrowth.in. The tool link is below in the description. And if you want to work with a growth and go-to-market agency that has a clear framework, transparent pricing, and a track record at your stage, this is exactly what we do at Upgrowth. We operate with defined deliverables, data-backed decisions, and no vague advice. So let's talk. Get in touch with Upgrowth today. Thank you.